It's an old building, is this. They say it go back to 1793, but I know there's been a mill here for much longer. Now, it's vital to me that all the machinery stays in working order, from the smallest nut and bolt to the grit old water wheel. But the machinery is old and often breaks down, which means more work for me. Now, here's a strange thing. Have you noticed how much of the machinery is wooden, and how simple it is? What about all them wooden pipes from the loft to the stones and then to the sacks? They're all built like boxes. That's so I can make and repair them. No need for a carpenter, as that costs money. Look at the teeth of the crown wheel. Wooden blocks which I can knock up in a spare moment. Oh, I usually have a box of spares. And the rule is wood against iron. That means a piece of wood is never working against another piece of wood, because they'd wear each other down too quickly.